Welcome to Meniuu. This is a general tutorial for restaurants that want to use Meniuu for online ordering. We will go over the basic setup to start receiving pickup and delivery orders online so you can begin sharing your ordering link and selling directly to your customers. At this point, your Meniuu account has already been created and your menu has already been uploaded. That means you are now ready for the next step, setting up Meniuu so customers can start placing orders online. Before sharing your ordering link, make sure your menu is ready. You can add new categories, add new dishes, edit existing items, update prices, and adjust descriptions whenever needed. Your menu should always be updated before customers begin ordering online. To accept online payments, your restaurant needs to connect its bank account. This allows you to receive payments from customers who place orders through your Meniuu ordering link. Once your bank account is connected, your restaurant is ready to receive online payments. Next, make sure your ordering methods are properly configured. Depending on how your restaurant wants to operate, you can offer pickup, delivery, or both. This gives you flexibility to decide how customers will receive their orders. Now that your menu and payment setup are ready, the next step is to share your Meniuu ordering link. You can place your link on Instagram, Facebook, a WhatsApp, your website, and other social media channels. This is how customers will access your menu and place orders directly with your restaurant. You can also connect your social media call to action buttons so customers can tap and order faster. This makes it easier for people to go directly from your content or profile to your ordering page. To manage incoming online orders, you need a staff account inside Meniuu. Go to your staff section and create the account that will be used to receive and process orders inside the restaurant. For this workflow, the main account you need is the waiter or server role, since it can be used to receive and manage incoming online orders. Create the username and password, then use that account to sign in on the device that will stay in the kitchen or preparation area. Install the Meniuu app on a tablet and log in with the staff account you created. Place the tablet in the kitchen or in the area where orders will be received and prepared. Make sure notifications are turned on. This is important so your team can see new incoming orders immediately and avoid missing any order. Even with a single tablet, your restaurant can manage online orders smoothly. If your restaurant offers delivery, the next step is to connect drivers. You can work with your own in-house drivers or with external drivers connected to your network. Once drivers are connected, they can start receiving delivery requests from your store. Before going live, do a quick check. Make sure your menu's updated, your bank account is connected, your ordering methods are configured, your ordering link is ready, your link is shared on social media, your staff account is created, your kitchen tablet is signed in, notifications are active, and your drivers are connected if delivery is enabled. If all of this is ready, then you are ready to start receiving online orders. Before promoting your link, place a test order yourself. Open your own ordering link and go through the experience like a customer. This helps you verify how the menu looks, how the order is placed, how the payment works, how the order appears on the restaurant tablet, and how the full process works from start to finish. When a customer places an order, the order arrives instantly on your restaurant device. The kitchen or preparation tablet receives a notification, and your staff can open the order, review the items, and begin preparing it. As the team prepares the order, they can review the products and make sure everything is correct. Once the food's ready and packed, the order can move to the next status depending on the workflow. If the order is for pickup, the customer can arrive at the restaurant and collect it once it's ready. If the order is for delivery, connected drivers can receive the request. The available driver accepts the order, sees the pickup and delivery details, and goes to the restaurant to collect it. Once the driver picks up the order, they can update the status to on the way. This shows that the order is already heading to the customer. When the driver arrives and completes the delivery, the order can be marked as delivered. If the customer already paid online by card, the order can be completed after delivery confirmation. If the order is set to be paid in cash, the driver must collect the payment before completing the delivery. Only after the cash is collected can the order be marked as delivered. Before you begin promoting the link heavily, test the process at least once or twice yourself. That way you can confirm that the menu is correct, the payment setup works, the order enters properly, the kitchen receives it, and the pickup or delivery process is smooth. Once everything looks good, you can start sharing your ordering link more actively through your social media, website, and marketing channels. That's the general setup for using Meniuu for online sales. With Meniuu, you can start receiving pickup and delivery orders online, manage them from your restaurant, and create a smoother ordering experience for your customers